Welcome back to the Mass Swine Backyard Barbecue. Today, we got a 10.5 pound pork belly that I'm smoking just like a brisket. All right, light trimming on this. Fat side, just scoring it. That way when I use this mustard as a binder, it's gonna get all up in those crevices. It's gonna hold that rub really well. And there you have it. It's been rubbed, it's been massaged, it's been tickled, it's been assaulted. This thing's ready to go. Oh, see them hooks? We're hanging this bad boy. All right, and I'll be using pecan and hickory to smoke with. I have one chunk of pecan in the middle. The rest is hickory. I'm going to be putting some charcoal right on top of that hickory. And then I'm going to be getting my chimney ready. 3/4 of the way filled. And this is how I'm going to do it. Once this ash is over, I'm going to dump it right on top. Now, I'm going to do something different here. Grate right on top of the fire ring and the water pan right on top of the grate. This is going to give me more room to hang my pork belly. All right, there you have it. I now put the 10.5 pound pork belly right on this rib hanger along with this brisket. And we're gonna go ahead and let this thing smoke, get a good crust. And we'll continue on after that. 3 hours later, this is what it's looking like. Look at that, man. That's a beautiful color. All that scoring looks really well. I think this was probing like around 160 something. We're going to go ahead and wrap this now. So here is the pork belly. We're going to go ahead and just wrap this up. We're not going to add anything to this foil. We're going to wrap it up, put it back on the smoker, and let it come to temp as is. And look at that. Over here to this side, which was facing towards the coals, it is a little bit crispy, but it is what it is. I don't mind losing a little bit of it so that the rest of this is golden. Golden as in not in color, as in taste. Oh yeah. Alright guys, this pork belly is done. It's finished. It's probing tender. And it's actually, let's see. It's actually probing about 200 over there. 200 there. I mean, it's going in like butter. 203 over here. Ooh, man. 200 right there. But the key thing is that it's going in like butter. Feeling great. We're going to go ahead and let this rest. And we're going to dive into it after that. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys know or not, but I love using the microwave as my place that I put the meats to rest at. I don't use a cooler. I don't use an ice chest, which is the cooler, but I just love using the microwave. Plain and simple. It's small. It has just enough space to keep that temperature at bay, and it's a good place to rest it. Let's do this. Pork belly has been pulled right out of the microwave. It's rested for 40 minutes. Cut right into it. I already had one slice. Cut another slice because I need my taste testers, aka my children, to tell me what they think of this, because this is so amazing. I gotta bring them into the mix. So we're gonna start off with a piece like this. Man, this is just so juicy. I'm gonna start off with my little stepdaughter Emma. This is called pork belly. Have a taste, and you gotta tell me what you think. And if you want to describe what it tastes like, go right ahead.
It's really good.
Yeah? You like it?
Soft.
Uh-huh.
Really flavorful. It's juicy.
Ooh, soft and juicy. My two favorite words. Anything else? And FYI, she has a very sophisticated palate. This girl does not like just random cheap foods. She is into that good stuff. Look at her taking another bite. She don't care that she has hair going right in front of her eyes.
Nope.
Nope.
This, I think it's like the fat.
Uh-huh.
It tastes like good, even though it's not the meat.
Right. Did you know that fat is actually flavor when it comes to meat? You didn't know that, huh? You just found that out right now, though. Your own self. No? You knew that? All right. So, what would you give? How would you rate this between a 1 and 10, and when it comes to Flavorville?
For flavor, I'm gonna give it like a 9 or
Ooh.
9.5.
9.5, 9.5.
But overall, 10.
Overall 10. You know what? I appreciate that. Thank you. Next, because I don't think she's gonna let go of that other piece she has in her hand, I'm gonna go to my son. This is my young son. That's Damien. Damien,
Yeah.
have a bite of this. Hey, you're not in this, buddy. You don't understand. I saw the things you eat. You won't judge this fairly. All right, what are you thinking, buddy?
That's honestly really good.
Is it?
Honestly, has a lot of flavor, and like how Emma said, it's very juicy and it's tender and
Tender,
it's soft. And
soft.
I just think it gets a lot of flavor.
Man, I mean, you do better reviews than I do. Good stuff. All right, this is my big boy. How about come over here with Damien? The light over here. You just went right out of the script. All right, you gotta try it. You don't even know what this is. First of all,
Pork belly.
Okay, you know what it is. You proved me wrong. He loves proving me wrong, guys. Have you ever had pork belly?
No.
Never had. Well, this is when it's cured. It's bacon. But go ahead. You can have that. And tell me what you think. This guy is particular about all his food. As you can tell, he's got that frame of someone who doesn't just eat like I eat, or my little boy right here. We like food. You know what I mean? It is what it is. What do you think, man? This is wait. Before you say anything, let me tell my viewers. This is a guy who once told me that there was too much cheese on his pizza. So if he says anything negative about this piece, just remember that. All right. All right. Go for it.
It's pretty good.
Is it pretty good?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. That's it.
Yeah.
All right. Pretty good is. Hey, I'll take that. You got anything else to say about it?
It's pretty good.
Would you like a sandwich of that with some barbecue sauce?
I don't like barbecue sauce.
You don't like barbecue sauce?
Nope.
A sandwich just like that?
Nope.
All right. Damn, that says a lot. Well, my kids love it. Man, I love it. I think this is the way to go when it comes to pork belly. Just smoke it all the way till you probe tender. It was about 200 degrees. Now I'm going to make some slices. I'm going to slice this up, make some sandwiches, and we're going to enjoy this. All right, guys. If you like the content that you see, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like. Hit that notification button so that whenever I make new videos, you'll be notified. And thanks for watching. Oh, yeah. Let's enjoy this. All right, here we go. And I must say, I definitely like it this way versus the burnt ends way. This is so succulent, so tender, so juicy. It's just in a whole nother little world of its own. Love it. All right, guys. See you next time.